Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do something new. I'd like to use the same set of material as in my last video, but create a completely different design with a different mechanism. If you haven't seen my last video, I'm putting the link right here in the description box below. Now let's get started. For the supplies, you need a shallow flower vessel, any shape is fine, and a pair of scissors, a few bamboo skewers, and a stapler. For the floral materials, once again, I'm using foliage that is long and wide. I have some Aspidistra leaves here, which give a shiny and green texture. Lisianthus as the focal flower, and mini Marguerite as fillers. For this arrangement, we do not need to use any floral foam or pin frog. Simply need a container as flower vessel. Next, for the Aspidistra leaves, we cut out the part where the stem is too hard. Then we make the leaves into small rolls and fix the ends with a stapler. The number of rolls depends on the size of your flower vessel. For mine, I made 10 pieces of them. Then we're going to group the rolls together by the bamboo skewers. During the process, make sure that you hide the staples by making them face each other. For the assembly, simply poke through the rolls and stack them together sideways with the bamboo skewers like so. For this process, you have to be careful and patient and do it one by one. Then you may put them inside a flower vessel that is already filled with water. Trim off the extra bamboo skewers on both sides if they are too long. Next, you can arrange your flowers and use the rolls as the holder for the flowers. When you arrange, start with the focal flower, then the fillers. You can even have multiple rows of leaves at the same time, and fill all the rolls with flowers. This method is totally eco-friendly. We're not using any single-use supplies like the floral foam or creating any waste that cannot be decomposed. I hope you all love this design and the concept behind. If you enjoyed this video, or if you would like to see more in the future, please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all again next time.